Dear ladies and gentlemen, so the lintel there is done. Now we are doing these lintels like this, so we bring the structure back to its normal state. So there was a person who told me if I hide 3 letters on my sweat, he will send me $5 per letter. Now you owe me $15. As here we have some huge stones to put and a lot of rubbish to put down, we are trying to adapt some old crane, I don't know how to call it, some device that can lift the load. So we have to install it, but we have to figure out how to make a decent structure for it. So now we just tested it, let's make now a decent structure. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, we still get this kind of t-shirts. So it's kind of our limited 69 edition. So if you want to get one, just tell us if you want some size. I think we will continue ordering them the same way. Well, we don't even have to ask, we just send the image and they do upside down. So what I wanted to say, we have several designs, so we will make you see on the website. You can get one. We have to manufacture a construction winch. As we are like, some people ask, how comes you know how to do so many things? Because we are poor. We have to do everything by ourselves. No, I think what I just said, to have to do anything by ourselves, it's some patented slogan from somewhere. I don't remember, some guy spending money. Well, okay, so we have some pipes, we have some metal, we will do something.
Just you wait to listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane comes in. Well, I'm the only island in the way, but I was born to fight the wind and rain. Sometimes a man will keep himself in shame, mask a painful past he overcame. Oh yes, oh, oh yes. Well, you've been steady, building steam like a thunderhead, armed and ready with the lies you overheard. Well, strike me down like a lightning in the dark, deliver me the fate I must deserve. Oh, don't you? I just wait and listen for the storm. You can hear the difference in the wind. When the dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane comes in. When the dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane, oh, that old hurricane comes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how to say, we really lack of tools. We didn't get any sponsorship, nothing. So if somebody wants to help us, we will put a wish list from a local tool shop. If you want to help us, you can buy us some tools. Well, actually, we were going to rent a saw because the one that we tried, it's old and doesn't work as well as it might work.
Two 2,000 years later.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you Lionel, who is a local artisan. So he works restoration of houses. Probably some of you know him because he restored a lot of properties of English people here. So he is a woodworker, but also does renovations of homes. So, you know, our trouble that was our saw that broke. I published an announcement on a local Facebook group, and he was a person who replied and came here to help us. So that's really nice of him. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how with nothing we can do something. That's some called engineering, whatever. If you want to help us, we will put a link on our wish list. Well, wish list, it's more need list than wish list. And so like this, you can contribute to the restoration. What will you get in exchange? Apart our deep gratitude. So I don't know, maybe I can offer something, but actually I don't know. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.